This video is basically just for one person, Josh. He's asking about methanol and sulfamic acid, right? Sulfamic acid. Here's sulfuric acid. Here's sulfamic acid. They replaced the hydroxy group with a amine. And here's sulfonic acid. You replace the hydroxy group with a alkyl group or any kind of hydrocarbon, methyl group, ethyl, whatever. I was telling him that you add your methanol and your whatever, your sulfamic acid, and a catalyst, or heat it up to a higher than 100 degrees, and you'll get sulfonic acid. But you don't get sulfonic acid because the R group here, see this methyl group, this R group, it's connected to an O that's connected to the S. On sulfonic acid, the R is connected directly to the S, to the sulfur. So this is not sulfonic acid, like I was saying in my post. This is an ester, right? So you have your alcohol part here, and this side is your well, it would be a carboxylic acid most times, but this is a mineral acid. Same thing, though. It's an ester. And you make ammonia gas, just like I said. And then these two react. Okay, the ester part doesn't do anything, but if you can see over here, you still have this acid part from this sulfuric acid. What happens when you react sulfuric acid with ammonia? You get ammonium sulfate. In this case, you get ammonium methyl sulfate because there's a methyl group added on to this sulfate part. You know what I mean? So it's ammonium methyl sulfate. The salt is between the ammonia and this sulfate part. Okay. Now we both, him and me, agree that that's what happens. Okay. Now he's saying if you heat this up for 30 minutes, all the way up to like 275 or 6 C, which is, wow, that's like 300 Celsius almost. That's a lot. Sulfamic acid is beyond my knowledge of chemistry in the first place. But now you add in 300 degrees Celsius almost. Now you're way out of my league. Okay, so keep that in mind as I talk. This is way out of my league. Okay, but he's saying that you can go from this ammonium methyl sulfate, this salt between ammonium and methyl sulfate, and heat it up even higher, and you will make this methylamine, well, one of these, methylamine sulfate or methylamine bisulfate. But you can see, let's go with the bisulfate, because it's smaller. I just don't see how you can jump from here to here or jump from here to here. You have no amines, you just have this ammonia, and your methyl part is over here in this ester. Esters are hard to break up, although with that much heat, I could see it breaking apart. But I don't know. I mean, basically, this methyl group would have to jump off of here, move over to the amine, and the proton from the NH4 would have to come over here, right? You replace this line with an H. You replace this H with a line. I don't know. Like I said, this is beyond my whatever. But I just wanted to clarify that you're not making a sulfonic acid, you're making an ester. And somehow this ester must hydrolyze. I can't see that. I don't see it happening. I don't see how it can happen, put it that way. But I wanted to bring up one more thing. Methylamine sulfate, that's the dumbass name for it. And that's the one that everyone uses, so I don't blame anyone for using it. But it doesn't tell me what... I had to actually look up what methylamine sulfate is, because I had no clue. Now, if they would have said dimethyl ammonium sulfate, I would have been like, oh, I know exactly what that is. That's diammonium. You know what I mean? This does not describe the molecule at all. At all. Not at all. First of all, there's two methylamines. Second of all, it just doesn't describe, like this ammonium tells me. It tells me exactly what's up. Same down here, methylammonium bisulfate. That tells me I don't have to look anything up when I see this. When I see methylamine bisulfate, I'm like, that doesn't even make any sense. Now I got to take my time to go look it up when it makes no sense. I don't know why they use these nonsensical names. They don't make sense. Why? Stop using them. I'm not talking about people like me and you that are home chemists. I'm talking about the people that are writing these books. Stop writing books using these archaic names that don't make any sense to describe the molecule. But anyways, if anyone could help out Josh, maybe tell him what's up. I don't know what's up if you can do this. Anyways, you all have a great day, and remember, science is great.